Hello everyone, this is Bisnetplus on your way today again, guys. Sorry, it's been a little while that I've dropped video, but in this video I'm just gonna show you something massive. Okay, so you will see that we are catching it up, we're making it big while trading synthetic indices. So guys, you see on the screen here on Telegram, all right, which we have like 809 people. Okay, see, we bought B900, which is boom 900 index, which is stop loss is at 544.223. so guys, I quickly doesn't want this video to get selected, that's why I'm rushing up fast. So guys, you see that I have also C900, which is running on buy. So guys, it's not actually by saying, but it's by doing. All right, so let me show you exactly what I am saying here. So if you just want to join this Telegram channel to pick up free signals, I would just want you to check the description below, okay, so that you can get all these free signals. Okay, so guys, let's see. Yeah, you see on the screen, this is for crash 900 index. But before I go into crash 900 index, I just want to show you exactly starting from boom 900 index. Okay, so yeah, this is boom 900 index. Okay, so we pick the signal for boom 900 index. All right, after when we discover that this is an uptrend and we follow this pattern here, okay, we follow the signal here which is telling us it's a buy. Okay, and at the same time when we go to H1 time frame, you can see it's also showing a buy. When we go to 4-hour time frame, you see it's also showing a buy. So the buy is on 4-hour time frame is very new. Okay, now let me just post the vertical line on it. You can see that this candle makes it new. Okay, so we are expecting the TP for this to be around this point. All right, for the TP. Okay, so the TP will be around this point. Now let me show you the profit for this B900 TP on H4 time frame. Let me show you the result. You can check the result here, all right, at the TP area. Now let me show it here. You see, so we are expecting the TP to be around 450 to 400 and to 500. All right, based on this lot size, which is 2 lot size, but along the way it's gonna surely retest. Okay, so let's go back to 15 minutes time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame, as you can see on the screen. Okay, so the 15 minutes time frame is actually showing us that we still have an uptrend. Okay, but mind you, when we are trading with this customized indicator, just follow on the higher time frame. Okay, do not be disturbed by what is happening on lower time frame. Follow the ones you have on higher time frame. And as you can see at this point here, for the selling of B900, you can also see that the arrow appears here, then it sold massively till it gets to this point before we have a reversal. Even at the point of the reversal, even as it's reversing, all right, you see this is a pullback up. It doesn't show any sign of the arrow. Okay, so until it gets here to the lower lows. Okay, now when it has achieved the lower lows, then we have a breakout at around this point here. Okay, which is this is actually the zone at which the breakout, then we have an arrow which appears here. So guys, and if also you just want to trade this customized indicator while you're at the same time working on M1 time frame, I just want you to message me to get the indicator, and at the same time I will show you exactly what you need to know. So if you want to get this indicator, I'm gonna give you for almost free. I didn't say it's free. Nothing is free in this life. That's the reality. Okay, so guys, let's go to crash 900 index. Remember, like I said here, that I have C900 buys running. Okay, so now let's go to the C900. Now this signal is actually picking. I actually picked the signal from H1 time frame. Okay, so you see on H1 time frame we have the arrow which appears, then the signal was taken from around this area here. Okay, so when I pick the signal from around this area, you can see this 1 minute time frame. So this trade has been running for more than 8 hours. You see each candle represents 1 hour. Okay, so and at the same time you see it's still running. The signal is still running good and it's still running massive. So now if you just want to check out for the profit that we've made here, I just want to pull the TP up and see it's around 186. Okay, so that's cool. At the same time I'm gonna remove this. So guys, that's it. That H4 time frame, you can see that we're having the buy signal, which is still fresh. So it's gonna take us up to around this point here, then on H4. So if you have the patience, this is over $300 with 0.5 lot size, okay, which is over $300, okay. And the reason why I choose this zone is because of what we have here, which is what the resistance zone. So guys, bless up and see you in my next video.